Hi guys, I'm Hassa with WTI and I love preparing snacks for me or my husband. And there's something that I like about my snacks. They're super quick and easy to make. And this is my best friend when it comes to quick snacks. These are the salted soda crackers from AVIVA. My mom used to pack my lunchbox and I always had a pack of these crackers that go with anything. I usually spread cream cheese, jam on my crackers, or if I want a more fancy snack or a wine night with my friends, I would just serve some wine and accompany that wine with some salted crackers with some salami and cheese on top, and it works amazing. They're really crispy. And I love that crispiness because that ensures that my crackers are fresh out of the pack. So if you're a snack lover just like me and you like to please your loved ones with a quick but delicious snack, well, this is the one. These crackers will do. They will save your life when you have surprise guests. Well, if you have a tuna, cheese, jam, anything you can put on top, and that will solve your problem. And that's my point of view.